Another bituka ng manok. Bro. Hi, Kuya. Daddy. Yana. Where are we? Oh, we are now here at the First Colonial Restaurant, home of the original Silly ice cream.
Miss? Order na. Kaya naman. Sili?
Yes.
Ang dami lang po. After every single order.
I'll choose sili kay Ziana.
Oh, they have this famous Silly sorbetes. They also have Pili
So
sorbetes,
spicy daw eh.
Parmelado sorbetes, Buko queso sorbetes, Piña sorbetes,
That's ano, tutong na
kakao,
bigas.
latik, ube halaya, tinutong na bigas. Jin. Oh.
Sorry.
Anong cup?
May malunggay pa sila. Ampalaya sorbetes, kalabasa at melon sorbetes. Wow. Galing. Which one do you like, Siana?
Ampalaya.
Yeah.
Kalabasa. You like kalabasa, you might like this one.
Ube.
Ikaw din.
Try natin kasi minsan lang tayo dito.
What is this then?
Pili. That one, I don't like ayaw ko ng pili.
What is this?
May Bicol Express.
Ice biscuit.
Yung biscuit ni Jen.
Chicken. And ano to? Vegetarian.
Thank you.
Spring roll.
Tapos yung ice cream.
May Bicol Express. Ay ano?
Pili
Biscuit
sa ano
Tagalog.
no?
Mm-mm.
Pili.
At saka laing. Tikman natin yung original from Bicol. Yay.
Yes. Thank you.
Can I have the onion?
Look at that. Hi, Mount Mayon.
Para lang siyang ano no?
It's like a drawing lang.
Yeah.
No?
Silhouette
Yan
lang
na?
siya.
Nice, no?
Yeah. I think I can draw like that.
Can draw it?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Daddy, I think I can draw like that.
Nice.
This is just very
It's
easy.
beautiful. Side. Everyone, as of the moment, Daddy is assembling our tent.
Then
And
do something funny.
Zain is
Eating.
eating. And Ziana is there, stuck. She's stuck there. Oh no. And as of the moment, there are people. We have neighbors campers. Neighbor campers. On that side.
Help me.
That side too.
Help me.
And also, oh, she's stuck there. And also that
Okay,
side.
end the video.
Yeah.
Help me.
Yeah.
Help me.
And as of the moment, I can smell like a lempo and a grilled fish too.
Mommy,
Or no, squid.
Mommy.
What?
Make it very funny. Like I was stuck there.
Oh, you're stuck. Oh no, Ziana's stuck. You help her. Come on. Good morning po. Ayun ang aking mga kasama. Tulog pa si Zain at si Ziana. At ito po. Gusto ko lang makita at mapakita yung ano, Mount Mayon na talagang very perfect. Perfect siya talaga. At hindi siya shy type na yun. Yun ang aming view. Oh. Dito kami natulog ni Ziana sa kama. Ay, sa car. Ayan, meron kaming fan. Ayun sila. Yan ang setup natin. Oh. Maya I'll show it to you. Ganda oh. Very nice. Thank you, Mount Mayon. Good morning. This is our setup. Meron kaming portable dito na liguan. Good morning, Daddy! Siyan si Zinzin. Tulog pa siya.
Nakikita mo?
Yeah.
Ganda niya.
Tapos ayun yung Mount Pinatubo. I mean, Pinatubo, mali. Mount Mayon. Ang ganda niya. Diba? Tapos ayun si Ziana. Tulog pa siya. Yun yung kitchen namin, no? Lalabas tayo. Wow, ang ganda dito, oh. Ang ganda. Very nice, oh. Ganda. Set up. Very beautiful. No? Tapos, ayun yung mga ibang campers. Ayan. Oh. Doon, no, meron pang ibang bundok doon. Ganda. Wow. Magnificent view talaga. Hindi siya talaga shy type ngayon. Usually daw kasi mahiyain daw si Mount Mayon. May mga iba, hindi sila nakakapag-picture ng buong Mount Mayon. Kasi covered with clouds, ganun. But this time, pinagbigyan niya kami. Diba? Ganda. Kaya masaya tayong uuwi. Yan.
It's like butterfly. And then just try to kill it. Oh, it's 11. Umuulan ba? Umuulan ba? Mommy, can we not?
Yan. Ang ganda-ganda guys ng view natin. Tapos, maraming mga campers. No, uso nga yung campers. And it's a good thing na naging natin siya. Naging hobby natin. Ang ganda, oh. We're close to nature. And it's really a stress reliever. Diba? So, we'll have our breakfast. We'll cook our breakfast. Yay! Yay! Magkukuk tayo ng breakfast natin. Okay. Hello! We're going to cook our breakfast.
Nasaan yung mga binili kong
Ayan, itlog. Good morning!
Morning.
What's for breakfast?
Tocino.
Tocino and egg.
And
longganisa! Yay! And we have also coffee and hot choco.
parang fried rice.
Yeah, enjoy.
Oh, nag-
First drop. There.
sarap. Oh, galing ni Mami.
Yeah. Usu. Si Arte. MPV.
Ayan, suwa. Meron kang ano eh.
Suha.
Sa lengguwahe nila, suwa. Ito.
Ang ganda oh. Ang dami niyang ano, bunga ng suha.
Ayun yung sasabi ko, Starlink.
Saan? Ay, yun, yung satellite. Nagtago na po ang Mount Mayon. Nag-fetch ng water si Daddy. Yan, katas lang naming mag-eat ng breakfast.
Guys. Di ba kayo nag-away? Wow,
At ayun po sila.
lagay natin doon.
Say hi.
Hi.
Natin ito mamaya to.
Yun. Si Kuya naglalaro siya ng RC, pati si Ziana.
Layo naman.
Yan. Yung isa pong naglalaro, ayun. Ayaw niya pong mabilat. Ayun. Lalaro sila ng RC. Where's yours? You're using Daddy's?
Napapalitan pa yung battery. Kaya nahirap gamitin sa kanya.
Pang cutie-cutie lang yung kanya, no?
Ba't kulang yung baso?
Ha? Ito po yung aming taga-hugas.
Baso.
I-video natin yung naghuhugas. Asa na nga yung baso? Wait lang.
Kasi yung isang baso, ba't kulang isang baso?
Okay.
Dahil lang yung
It's very soft and it's very steep. Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah! Yeah! Oh, again. Yeah!
You're stuck. Ah!
Yana, help me! I was able to do this earlier. I'll try again. Okay. Move. Oh, I found the hole. Yana, excuse me. 3, reverse. No, one at a time. Go, push. Okay. Oh, yes. Thank you. Oh, don't worry. I can push you. I'll try to push you. Woohoo. Don't worry, Dad. I'll try. Go. 3, 2, 1, go. Yes. Do it. Kuya, get me out. I'll push you down. How to swim, so look at me.
ang galing.
Yay!
Going back there.
Okay.
3, I want to show what 2, 1, go. I want to put water in the back.
We'll show it to Ate Chloe. Tell
Yay!
her. Yana knows how to swim.
Look at this. I can go underwater and drown.
Oh, no, don't drown.
I don't drown.
Nakasira.
Hold my breath lang.
Don't drown.
That's the opposite
Yung
of
mga
what
ganda kung ay semento, no? Oh, it's just an illusion.
But for sure, it would have happened to you.
Yeah, if you continue doing it.
Ganda pala na tong power station dito. Oh. Pwede mong saksak. Nasaksak ko yung laptop. Diba? So, pwede pa rin mag-work with your paper kapag kahit na you're outside, basta meron ka nitong power station. Diba? Ilang percent pa siya? 70%. Yan.
Daddy, this no. What?
That's how they weave. Yan, oh. That's the machine they used to weave. Elephant. The orange one. Yeah.
Are you gonna watch?
Going to watch
At
movies
movies.
while camping.
So we have here our
Shut up. Our projector.
projector. This is the
That's
projector.
the projector screen.
And these are
This is the Poggy.
The
this is
Poggy.
Poggy boy.
and the pretty one.
And
yeah. And Daddy, the one who's setting up.
Let's turn off the lights.
Okay.
Na, Daddy.
So dun sa other side, meron na kaming mga neighbor.
Daddy,
Para siya naka-plan.
Neighbor campers.
Daddy, let's turn off the lights.
Wait, wait for me to set it up muna.
Yeah, but let's turn
Okay.
off the light. Yes, speed it. Speed it.
Oh, you sit na. Sit.
Bye.
Our things kasi we're heading back home to Pampanga. And now the Mayon is already like covered with clouds. So most of the people are already packing up kasi it's Sunday. Pero good thing for us dahil it's Pinatubo Day. That's why it's a holiday. Okay, so here is our view. So it's such a nice view. Presko siya. So now we're here at Kagsawa Ruins. You see, oh. So there's entrance fee here. Wow, it's a nice place, no? Diana, nice place, no? Let's see around, and then outside you will find a lot of mga souvenir shops and also pasalubong. Yeah, nice.
To that one.
Ah,
To the truck.
yeah. That one before, it used to be a whole church na.
Para lang sa yung bako na.
Ah. Sige, let's see. Sa amin, 120 kami, libre si Ziana na, Daddy. Wow, so nice. Hanap tayo ng photographer. May iba-iba silang dito, delicacies.
Balikan na lang.
Gulay na santol. May gulay na santol. Laing.
Gulay na santo.
Ayan, oh. Tikman natin mamaya yung sili ice. So, in front, yung Kagsawa Ruins. May kainan. Pwede siyang for sharing. Ano kasi ito, tart pangat,
Pwede tayo.
pinangat, at saka Bicol
I don't know.
Express.
Ano
Okay.
kayo nito?
Bon appetit. Wow, sarap.
Ito rin yung sikat sa kanila. Hindi ko lang wala.
Basta may gata. First time to eat. Ito na, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank Thank you.
Yung 1.5 coke mo.
Ito, pork chop at saka
Happy ka na.
laing.
Mas may chicken.
Okay.
Kain muna kayo. Diana, stop the cellphone.
Ito. Ito. Tas ano to? Saging, no? Ay, saging ba yun? Sarap siya. Ito laing. Siyempre, iba yung original, di ba? Let's eat. Natin. First na. 9:43. Sarap. Iba-iba ng version ng laing, no? Laing nung ano, nung pinagbubuntis ko itong dalawa. Parehas kung gusto yung laing.
Sabi ko sa lain lang sa problema dun sa first colonial, ano na yung commercialize na yun. Kaya kailangan lang find a way.
Yeah, so we're going to try the spicy ice cream. Because silly ice cream.
Level 1 lang.
Level 1 lang. Kasi naririnig namin sa mga
May level 5.
nag-try. Hindi nila kaya. Grabe daw, grabe. Ikaw din ba, Zane? What's yours?
Level
Ano?
Level 1 lang din.
Level 1.
I would have gone for level 2.
Ano sa'yo? Strawberry yan?
Yeah. But there's no strawberry. I'll make sure there's not a level 5.
May level 5 ka ba?
Where ang level 5?
Ano tong isa? Ito mango. Padiana. Level 5 kay Daddy!
Good luck to you.
Sige. Ito yung aking Bicol Silly Ice Cream Level 1. Anong flavor to? Chocolate?
Yes.
Sige.
Here is
Let's
my
try.
strawberry.
Let's
Level 1.
try. Let's try. Ang hirap naman.
Mommy, is that mine?
No?
Mine is also chocolate.
Hindi man chocolate yung sa'yo. Kasi this one is spicy.
Hindi naman siya patay mo sa kanya.
You want to try?
Wala naman ako nalasaan.
You want to try?
Yes, I want.
May tubig kaya.
Yeah, Daddy, no first bite, I didn't even feel it.
Even after yung after this, wala.
Want to try?
Diana, stop using the cellphone, please.
Took me a couple of bites, but
Stop the cellphone.
spice is getting washed away by the.
Okay?
Yeah.
Hindi naman pala. At least, yung kaya lang natin yung...
As in, wala man siya eh.
natin. No? Meron siyang konting-konti lang. Parang masabi mo lang na medyo may anghang siya.
Level 1 lang.
How about yours, kuya? Ganon din.
It's good.
Ako walang spice.
Kasi
Normal ice.
yeah,
ice
because
cream.
there's no, ano talaga, sili. Yan.
Normal lang naman talaga.
Panoorin natin mamaya si Daddy sa level 5.
And there's a place that I've dreamed of, where I can free my mind. I hear the sounds of the season and lose all sense of time. I'm moving far away.
It's time